That's the number of subscribers I have by today. Crazy. Thank you guys so much. Hey everyone, I'm at 300 subscribers today. And this might be a tiny number on the overall YouTube scale, but I'm just super thankful for it. I've once read an article about how many people you meet in a lifetime, and turns out, on average, you call 250 people your friend. And even just to think that more people choose to watch my video than I'll ever meet in my lifetime is just mind-boggling. This has been such an amazing journey for me. Every video that you click, comments that you leave, support that you give, I appreciate from the bottom of my heart. This is so cheesy, but thank you guys so much. Whether you know me in person or I'm just a stranger that you stumbled upon on YouTube, you took the time to watch me talking about things I'm passionate about, and I'm really grateful for that. Through these 30-some videos, I started as this awkward guy in front of the camera, as if I'm meeting someone new, to now that I'm a little bit more comfortable talking to this black thing right here. Hopefully you get to connect with me through the stories I tell. In the beginning of this year, I made a goal that I want to make at least 50 quality videos by the end of this year. So far, this is the 18th video, so I'm pretty much on track, but I still want to underpromise and overdeliver. I don't want to just pump out a video every week, but to create content that I want to share with you and to tell stories that are meaningful. I hope you stay with me on this journey, and I can't wait to show you what's coming next. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace!